How to install British Customs bobber gel seat. Using a T50 Torx socket, remove the fastener that secures the seat assembly to the frame. Using the same T50 Torx socket, remove the two fasteners that secure the seat to the frame. Support the seat while removing the second fastener. Set aside flanged sleeve that secures the seat assembly to the frame. Using a 17mm socket, remove the two lock nuts and two washers, then remove the seat assembly from the seat mount. Set the seat mount safely to the side. Use a 2mm Allen to remove the M4 fastener at the forward section of the seat pan. Rotate seat and use 2mm Allen to remove the M4 fastener securing the nameplate. Set aside for reinstallation later. Use a 3mm Allen to remove the 4 M5 fasteners from the bottom of the seat pan. Set aside fasteners for reinstallation. Safely remove seat assembly components. Be careful not to misplace the threaded mounting plate. Verify the threaded mounting plate is properly inserted into the seat pan. Place seat onto the seat pan. Use a 2mm Allen to loosely secure the M4 fastener at the furthest forward thread on the seat pan. Do not tighten. Locate the nameplate and the two M4 fasteners. Be certain to mount the plate in the correct direction. Use a 2mm Allen to loosely secure the two M4 fasteners holding the nameplate in place at the rear of the seat pan. Do not tighten. Locate the 4 M5 fasteners. Using a 3mm Allen, loosely secure the 4 M5 fasteners. You may need to apply pressure to start the threads. Do not tighten. Now tighten the two M4 fasteners securing the nameplate to the factory specified 2 Newton meters. Rotate seat and tighten the one M4 fastener at the forward thread to the factory specified 2 Newton meters. Now use a 3mm Allen to tighten the 4 M5 fasteners securing the seat to the seat pan to the factory specified 3 Newton meters. Install the seat mount and loosely secure with the 2 lock nuts and washers that were removed during the removal process. Slide the seat mount to the desired position. Using a 17mm socket, tighten the 2 lock nuts and washers to the factory specified 38 Newton meters. Reinstall the flanged sleeve that was removed during the removal process. Align the seat assembly to the frame and install the 3 fasteners that hold the seat mount in place. Support the seat while doing so. Tighten the 3 fasteners to the factory specified 48 Newton meters in the following sequence: right fastener, left fastener, and top fastener. Installation complete. Learn more at BritishCustoms.com.